Hi guys, today I have this portable air compressor that it's a really nice gadget for everyday use because it's compact, powerful, and really easy to operate and perfect for when you get a flat tire or you need to pump up anything, okay? Here's what comes in the box: the proper main unit with an LCD screen and USB Type-C port and USB Type-A, okay? Also, it comes with a flashlight integrated and all the buttons that we are gonna use to control this portable air compressor, okay? We also get the instruction manual with all the steps to use it and all the information that we need about this air compressor. We get a really handy current bag with a magnetic inflator nozzle, which we can use to pump different kind of tires, a USB Type-C charging cable, and different nozzles and attachments, okay? So let's go ahead and test it out with our tires. Thus, when we can find the power level and the different measures of our tires that we want to set it up to, which I think that it's really great, we can change the mode, how much we want to set it up, and we can also change the units in which are shown on the screen, which I think that it's really great. We have these buttons to change the units, and we can turn on the light, which I think it's really practical. We place it on to just connect the magnetic inflator nozzle to the tire bolt, which connects really quick, and it's pretty simple, firm, and it has no air leak, and we just turn it on to start pumping it up. As you can see, the LCD screen displays the real-time pressure on our tires, which allows us to preset our desired level with just the controlling buttons, and the automatic shut-off ensures that the tires are properly inflated, that are accurately and prepared, okay? This tire compressor isn't just for cars and bikes, it's also perfect for deliverable bed, sport balls, and make it a versatile tool for all the family. So I think that it's really great. It also has a great speed, a nice position, and it's really portable because of its really perfect size. And just like that, with this tire pump, we have our tires ready, which I think that it's great. And overall, I like it a lot. It has some really nice function, and I will really recommend it, okay? See you guys.